mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel, World of TREDEC. Reviewing this wonderful little kit from Aurora brand. This case, Cessna Skymaster or plastic assembly kit. As you see, it's no longer flying. Well, they are still flying, but no longer in production. This classic Cessna with two propellers and very interesting features about this aircraft, with this nice art, box art from the 60s. And this is a very old kit with a very small and strong box, as always from Aurora. Aurora has this nice advantage. I don't see who painted it, but I really like this kind of art. As always, let's check this side of the box. Cessna Skymaster, scale 1/72 from Aurora, but made in Holland or Netherlands. It is not from UK or from USA. That's from Europe, the Netherlands. The kit number is 279, made in Holland, as I told you. Aurora kit, Cessna. The same information on the other sides and nothing at the back of the box. Let's check the contents. Very mint condition. Even the white parts are still sealed in their its original plastic bag. This is the display stand base. These are the windows, clear windows, and this is the display stand support or arm. The building instructions, it's a very small paper. It's squared paper folded in 6 zones with this stunning aircraft flying somewhere. The kit number 279, as I told you before, the Aurora logo. 34 pieces, I counted 34 pieces. Important to read this first. The suggestions about the building this model kit, recommending Aurora products, cement, paintings, etc. This kit is molded of styrene plastic. Okay, it's a warning. Let's check the two only basic steps. This is a very extensive drawings with the fuselage halves, sorry, the propellers, the back and the front ones, the windows, how to assemble from inside the fuselage halves, the seats, the floor for the cockpit, the instrument panel. No stickers about the instrument panel. You should paint them with a brush, hand brushing. The step number 2, assembling the wings and the horizontal stabilizer, the wings, the tail, the landing gear, the support, the wing supports, and the display stand with the leg or the arm of the display stand or support, etc. Well, it is so easy to assemble, as you see. This is the small short history about this Cessna Skymaster. The Aurora logo again. Aurora's full color catalog for a complete list of hobby kits, if you want, of course. Well, very nice building instructions. Let's check the original water stickers with some problems because it is so old, not yellowed, very nice, but the problem is, as you see from the black stripes with white little lines, thin lines, it is so cracked. So I think you have to paint those white lines very careful with brush, a thin brush, maybe triple number 300. This one is extremely cracked, and I applied a protector varnish in order to restore these decals, but I hope it is not going to rip or tear when I apply plastic surfaces. Well, that's the conditions about the water stickers. I cannot read clearly the US registration. I think I have to fix it. I think the registration is November 34011. The Cessna logo, left and right. Let's check the parts in the plastic bag. Let's open it up and see the quality of this white plastic. Very nice, with very smooth panels, very thin panel lines, so I think it would be so hard to keep these lines visible. Anyway, no big deal inside the fuselage halves, but it is very nice finishing. Well, these are the tails still attached to the main sprue, the main wings with one solid mold each, no halves, very thin recessed panel lines, very thin. I think when you are going to paint them, they will disappear, so we gotta be so careful. We gotta be remark it with a knife or something like that. Some panels from inside, one of the propellers, 2 blades. This is a seat. Weird. This is a seat. Other sprues with the cockpit floor and the stabilizer, the horizontal stabilizer. Another panel from inside, and oops, sorry, these parts from the hubs. I think it's a hub for propeller in order to spin it. The panel control, we gotta paint it. No stickers, no decals for it. More seats. Another propeller. This is the step for access the main cabin. The supports, wing supports. The struts for landing gear. The wheels. The other hub, propeller hub. This is the front landing gear, the nose landing gear with the door. Very simple. These are the transclear parts for the windows, for the cabin. Windows, 3 windows, and this great windscreen or windshield. Very good, very good. I like it. Let's check the transclear display stand base with a map. Maybe Europe. That's Europe map, countries. Italy, England, Spain, etc. Very nice. Sometimes the support hook, nice finishing and polished. That's for the display stand. Let's make a little assembling. Good. Very elegant. The triangle water sticker, this one, should be placed right here in order to name the aircraft. Very, very nice to me. Well, that's all about this review for this stunning aircraft, the Cessna Skymaster from Aurora Model Kits in 1/72nd scale. Thank you very much for watching, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.